myself Dipash Sharma and you're watching News Valley. Today I'm here to talk about a topic which is really valuable for your personality and you. So make sure you are here to the end of this video. Now, this topic was very important in the past. It still remains one of the most valuable skills in the present and it will always be. But I have not seen many of the YouTubers talking about it. You know what? If you learn this skill and be an expert of this, you will be ahead of 90% of the crowd. And yes, you can actually achieve this. If you master this skill, you will be better understanding yourself. You will be doing the things that others can't do. You will be better at decision making. Your confidence level will boost up and you will be the better version of yourself. Not just this skill is so much important that it induces a sense of self-control, which as a human being is the most important thing. Yes, I am talking about communication skills. Now, you know what? This generation means people who are about my age are said to be bold. But most of the students I have seen can't even communicate. So I was curious that why is this problem? Why is such a problem still there in our society? So I actually did a small research and several surveys with my friends and some peers of mine to understand that what was the real problem they were facing. Why were they not able to communicate well? Why they were not able to express themselves? Why they were not able to know themselves better? And out of the surveys, there were almost 4 major really concerning problems which most of the people are facing. And today I'm here to discuss those problems and their solutions. And yes, if you like, you can share your solutions in the comment box. And if you have a problem, surely you can share with the world. The world is open to have a solution for the problem. Believe. Now this is my research work and here is the first problem. You know what? Most of the people who lack communication skills are full of negativity. Lack of confidence induces a self-doubt in themselves. They become lazy. And the disappointment, depression and stress also increases. That is why it is really important to build up the communication skills. So as I already told, out of the surveys I could make out 4 major problems that were really concerning ones and I'm having them. So the first major problem was that they don't communicate. And if you can't communicate naturally, you won't be good at communicating. Just say for instance, if you have never rolled a bat in your life, you can't make a lucky shot each time, right? So you need to practice communication. If you don't practice communication, you will not be able to converse with people. If you don't talk, you won't be good at talking. It is that simple. And what is the solution to it then? The simple solution is talk. Your siblings, your parents, your peers, your friends, and if you don't have anyone, then with this person sitting in home. Just try it. It's really fun. Now, the second most concerning problem was that they overvalue others' judgments even before they make a judgment. Now, how can this be? Just suppose you are having a scenario in your mind that what if I went wrong? What if I stuttered? Naturally, you won't have the motivation to speak, right? Because you are over concerned about what others will do. And that's the problem. And to avoid this is just don't value others' judgments. Okay, the feedbacks are really necessary to improve, but to a point, they are just a problem. And after that, if they are positive feedbacks, then you can make changes in yourself. But guys, it is not that simple. You need to start embracing mistakes and learn from them. You should have an attitude to learn from the mistakes instead of demotivating yourself because of those mistakes. Okay? It isn't bad to make mistakes, but what's really bad is to have the fear of making mistakes. So don't have the fear of making mistakes. Make as much mistakes as you can, but also learn from them. Don't repeat them. Okay? Now the third major problem was that the social media trends. I have seen many of the students who watch social media beyond a certain limit are really distracted by it. They think being an introvert is cool, ignoring someone is cool, not talking, being silent is cool, and that is why they don't talk. So the simple solution to this is just keep a check to what you are consuming, the content, the type of content you are consuming, and tell the algorithm that what is not good for you. There is an option named not interested. Use it, okay? Wherever you find a video which is taking you in the negative direction, just click on the three dots and click on not interested. Next time the algorithm won't show you such kind of videos, okay? Now, the last reason why people can't communicate well is because they don't have a good knowledge in the topic they discuss. Just for an example, suppose you're sitting with some guys who are discussing about Free Fires and Rank Push, and I also don't know much about it, and you have never played such a game before. Then naturally, you won't be able to communicate with them. You won't be able to have a stake in the conversation. And that's not because your communication skills are not good, but because your knowledge of the topic is not good. Now, how to avoid this? First of all, ask the people you're talking with to change the topic. Yeah, it's a little embarrassing idea, but sometimes works, okay? And secondly, just gather the knowledge about the topic. Just gather the knowledge about it through the internet or through the books. I personally prefer using books because the internet is just so much distracting. You're so lucky if you are till here in this video. And I'll tell you 3 extra tips to improve your communication skills, which are just beyond communication skills. It will also enhance your confidence and will make you self-reflect upon what you think, what your thoughts are. Okay? So here's the first tip. Start a blogging channel. Now it doesn't has to be a blogging channel in which you just tell about your daily activities. It can also be about what you think. It can also be about the hobby you like. So if you start a blogging channel or something like that, then you will be able to communicate well and you will be able to reflect upon what you think, the thoughts you have, and what kind of person you are. So in a way, you will be better exploring yourself. And if you are really concerned about your privacy, then just keep the videos private. They are just for you to watch, and that's not a problem. Now the second advice that you can take is participating in the school competitions. Now you will say this is really common, but believe me, you are doing it the wrong way. Most of the students either don't take them seriously or take them too much seriously. They just focus on the ranks they receive. But motive isn't that. Motive is to learn. So learn from your mistakes, right? At the end of each competition, if possible, just go to the judge and ask if they have any feedback for you. The way you talked, the way you did everything, your expressions, your gestures, just everything. They have something to do, okay? Each time. I do this many times and each time I get something, some goals to achieve before the next week. So this is really good one. The third and the least common advice is start an online club. It doesn't have to be a public club where everyone can come and join you. It can just be a private club. Make a club with your friends. And I'm saying online club. That means you don't have to go and meet each time. You can just have a Google Meet. You can do the meetings on Zoom and Discord. And using apps like this, you can just meet once in a week and just discuss the topic. For example, you can talk about your hobbies, your books, just anything you like, etc., etc., and etc. Finally, this video has come to an end, and remember, just thinking or doing something isn't doing something. So take actions and comment me in the video that which action are you going to take today. Till then, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for such motivational content on personal and academic development.